How's it going, everyone? So in this video I will be making a push-up workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is just going to be the standard push-up, regular push-up. We'll do 10 reps, 10 sets, 100 total repetitions, you guys. That's quite a bit of volume for push-ups, but it is the regular push-up, so we should be able to knock out a little bit more repetitions. So let's get started. We will do it. So again, good position, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Easy, easy peasy, guys, easy. Again, it might be a little bit tougher for some people, but I feel like most people can knock off 10 reps pretty easy. Not pretty easy, but decent. It's not hard the first couple of sets. It's going to get harder when you're in like the 7th, 8th, 9th set when your arms are pretty tired. But generally when I do these, I'll do about 30 reps, or sometimes I can do about 30 reps for 10 sets, so 300 push-ups. I can do 40 reps, but getting to like the 6th, 7th, 8th set, that's when I start burning out. So I can get 40 reps for probably the first 5, 6 sets, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, a little bit less. So but yeah, I've been fasting, not fasting, but limiting my calories all day. Got an event that I will be eating a ton of food, so I cannot wait. It's at 7, so I still got about 3.5 hours left. That is okay. Let's do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. Woo! Killing it. Just killing this workout. I got another 2 workouts after this. I'm hoping to get 15 videos done by 4:30, because that's when we're going. So I got pelvic floor after this, ab video, and then I'd like to get a face fat video. If I can do that, I'd be super happy. Then when I come back, I just have hand grip, vein, and then weight loss, and that's my 18 for the day. Okay, let's do another 10 reps, my friend. Yeah, easy peasy. Killed it. But yeah, I'm pretty hungry, to be honest. I don't usually limit my calories this long. Again, I'm not saying fast, because I didn't actually fast today, because I had a granola bar or a protein bar in the morning, and then I had coffee. Coffee has like 30 calories. If you put sugar and cream in it, that's what I do. So about 30 calories. So about 250 calories today. Like, that's nothing. When I go to work, I generally go from about 6:30 in the morning to about lately 1:32 without eating. So that's about 8 hours. I was up at 6 today, so it's been about 9.5 hours. I'm really starting to feel it right now. Easy. But yeah, that is the goal today. That's quite a bit of videos to do, but it's not too bad if you do about, for me, I could do about 2.5 hours in the morning. That should get me around 9 videos. And then later in the evening, 2 to 2.5 hours, that gets me the other 9. So I feel that's not bad. Sometimes I'll do really good. I'll hit the morning session good, but then the night session, I'll kind of miss it sometimes. So it's kind of tough to come back and do videos once you've already done them for about 2.5 hours in the morning. Pretty tough. Whew, 4 more sets and then we are done. But yeah, I might have some coffee. I think I had 2 cups so far, so having another one wouldn't be too bad. Okay, we will do another 10 reps. Okay, just like that. But yeah, we're having pizza tonight, so I'm thinking about having 2 to 3 slices. I would say each one's gonna be probably, we'll say about 300 calories, pretty big slices of pizza. So 3 slices be 900 calories, maybe some cake too, 300, puts me at about 1200 calories. Plus the 200 I ate today, so 1400 calories. I'm still good for another 900. That's assuming the pizzas are 300 calories. They could possibly be 400 or 500 calories. I'm not quite sure. But even if they were 500, that put me at 1500. Cake would put me at 1800 plus the 200 today. That's still 2000, so I'm still under. So either or, whatever it is, I think I'm going to be under calories today, which isn't that good. I'd rather be at my calories just because I am pretty hungry. So but we will see. Again, I could probably eat about 1200 calories before my stomach gets really sore. So that's kind of what I use as a benchmark. If my stomach starts getting really full and it's starting to hurt a little bit, then that means I've had about 1200 calories in my opinion. But yeah, we are almost done, my friends. 2 more sets, that's it. So let's go another 2 sets. Okay, 1 more set. But yeah, I have been cutting weight, doing pretty good in my opinion, starting to get striations, so that's good. 13 more pounds to go and then I'm done. I'll be down to 170 pounds. And that's as low as I'm going. Doesn't matter how lean I am, I won't go lower than that. Okay. So that's it, 100 repetitions. Again, just because we did the standard push-up doesn't mean anything. Standard push-up is very good for developing triceps, shoulders, and chest. It's still a great push-up workout. We did a little bit more repetitions than the other variations because the other variations are a lot harder to do. So doing 10 reps for dive bomb push-ups can be quite challenging. Doing 10 reps for diamond push-ups can be pretty tough. So that's why regular push-up, not too bad to do 10 repetitions. So yeah, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.